Understanding, A Murmur of Surprise, Unraveling English Phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, a murmur of surprise. It's a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or conversations, and understanding it can really enrich your grasp of the English language. So, let's explore what this phrase means, its nuances, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, a murmur of surprise, combines two key words, murmur and surprise. A murmur refers to a soft, indistinct sound made by a person or a group of people. It's quieter than normal speech and is often used to convey a sense of subtlety or discretion. On the other hand, surprise is a feeling of sudden astonishment or shock caused by something unexpected. When we put these two together, a murmur of surprise describes a scenario where people express their astonishment not through loud exclamations, but with gentle, whispered sounds. It's a collective, subdued reaction to something unexpected, highlighting a sense of wonder or disbelief shared quietly among a group. Understanding how and when to use a murmur of surprise can significantly enhance your English communication. This phrase is particularly useful in descriptive writing or storytelling, where you want to convey a group's reaction without overt drama. Example 1. Imagine reading a novel, and a character walks into a room with an unexpected guest. The text might read, "At the sight of the visitor, there was a murmur of surprise among the family members." Example 2. In everyday conversation, if you're recounting an event where a surprise guest arrived, you might say, "When he walked in, you could hear a murmur of surprise from everyone in the room." In both examples, the phrase paints a vivid picture of the scene and the collective emotional response, using subtlety and nuance. It's also fascinating to note the cultural nuances in using phrases like, a murmur of surprise. In some cultures, overt expressions of emotion are less common, and this phrase perfectly captures the essence of expressing feelings in a more restrained manner. Recognizing and appreciating these subtle differences can enhance your cross-cultural communication skills and deepen your understanding of English's rich expressiveness. We hope this exploration of a murmur of surprise has illuminated another interesting facet of the English language for you. Phrases like this add depth and color to our conversations and writings, allowing us to express complex emotions and reactions with elegance and subtlety. Keep tuning in for more insights into the beautiful intricacies of English. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.